Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a mechanical figure, otherwise known as a fashion croquis. Croquis means sketch in French. So croquis is a quick sketch of a fashion figure. They serve as a blank canvas for drawing clothing. So let's start. We just draw a center line. Normally when we draw, technically it would be like 30 centimeters, but here I'm just going to give you an easier method of drawing, okay? We will divide this into 10 heads. So this one, each the distance between each would be 1 by 8. Right? So 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The first one we will name it as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. First one would be your axis, that is at point 0. Now number 1, between number 1 and 2 would be your shoulder. So we'll take 0.5 distance between the two and we draw a shoulder at 2.7 centimeters on 2 centimeters on either side. So that would give us 4 centimeters. So 2 centimeters on either side. Okay. Now let's draw the head. We have draw the neckline here, and then sketch the head. Okay, so point 2 would be your bust level. This would be your bust level. Point 3 would be your waist. Point 4 would be your hip or even the elbow level. Point 6 would be your knee. Then 7 would be your calves. You have your mid calf, ankle and ground level. Ground level is number 10. Okay. Now we come to the bust. We will just draw the bust here. Now let's draw the waist. Waist is nothing but the measurement of your head. So it would be 1.1 on either side. Okay. So come down to your waist and then you draw 1.1 on either side of your, so this is your waist. Now we join the let's write the bust. So let's remove the bust first. Let's draw the waist. Now let's draw the bust. So just shift it here. Okay. Now we go to the hip level. The easier method of drawing hip level would be just take a straight line, very light line from your shoulder point and come down up to the hip level. That is point number 4. all you need to do is then join from the waist to this point. Okay, just join from the waist to the point. So this becomes your hip. Then you go a little down, you get your crotch level. Now crotch, you can join it either this way, just directly join it. I'm just giving you an easier method, okay? Now take a center point of your crotch, center point here, and then you can draw a straight line up to ground level, that is point number 10. Now further down, if you go by a mechanical figure, you get like at your knee level, you will be taking measurements of 0.5 on either side, and then on an ankle level, you will take measurements of 0.25 on either side. But I will show you an easier method. What you do is you go to your knee level, and then you just draw a big circle. Okay, like this. Fine. Now you join the thigh to your circle point. Fine, there. Then you come down to your ankle level. So that again, if you measure it, right, you will still get a 0.5. See, you still get a 0.5 measurement on either side. You still get a 0.5 by your centimeter scale. You can mention it as 0.5 centimeters. Now when you come down to the ankle level, you either take a measurement of 0.25 on either side like this. Okay, from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here, or you just draw a circle. And then when you join here, just give a slight angle on either ends, because this is just a technical figure, so it will go in scales. It will look like a robot. Slight angle. Then you join your ankle point. Fine? I hope you're understanding till here. Now this will be your feet. Just tilt a bit and join. It's as simple. Just tilt a bit and join. This will be your feet. Now we come to the hands. Hands also you can go by either measurements of 0.5 each side, or you can just do the circle. So you go from, this is your center point at 2. Now for your hands, you take a center point here at point number 2, that's your bust level. And you come down to the waist, and then again you draw a circle on either side. Okay? Then you come down to your hip level, or you also name it as an elbow. Right? Now from here you join your hand on either side. Right? Now you come down here, you again draw a circle and a circle, and then join it. Okay? Now you have to just draw your hands. It's almost done. It's just a technical figure. Now we're done with the technical figure. Now what we do is we take a Sharpie and we finish this off. Now this figure we can use to draw your flats. Okay, we'll first do a flesh out and then we'll do the flats. So use your Sharpie or any black ink pen and darken the lines so that when you place a paper, I'll show you how it will come. When you place a paper on top of it, you can see the lines. Okay, here you go. Almost done. So guys, this is the mechanical figure, otherwise known as a fashion croquis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon with another video. Bye.